Hey guys, back to another video. Today we're just going to be testing out some vacuums. It's a mess of wires. I have them all plugged into that, which is not safe. Don't do that. But it has a fuse in it, which is okay. So as long as they're not all turned on at the same time, it won't do anything bad. But here I have a shag carpet, really thick carpet. And as you can see, I have all my vacuums that I have not used on this carpet before. So I've used the G5, works pretty good. I do not use that because it's broken and I gotta fix it. And this thing has so much suction that I can't move it. So yeah. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start. There might be a couple delays because I gotta get these cords untangled. But we're going to start with the G5, and we are going to end with the Hoover. Alright, so yeah, this is the first time I've ever used this on this carpet, so I was kind of scared it would break it or something, so let's see. This did a really good job at fluffing it up. The brush roll on this thing is worn out really bad. So I think that's the only reason the brush roll didn't bog down, is because it wasn't really doing much. But the older Kirby you have, the less suction it has. It goes up a couple CFMs every time they make a new model. So yeah. We'll be ending the video with the Hoovers, so I'm gonna just move that. Next up, Kirby Tradition. I have used this on this carpet before, but it's been a minute, so I forgot how it runs, but let's see. This has a new brush roll in it. No, it doesn't. It has okay, I put the new brush roll in this one and put the original brush roll from that one into here. So yeah, let's see how it runs. So, I can't really tell once it's suctioned to the carpet. Like, usually it has a change in the pitch, but, yeah, it didn't do that time. So, oh yeah, I have recently used this one on this carpet. I forgot about that, but I'm gonna still use it just because I have it out for this video. Shakeout bag and all. So we'll let her run for a second. It does have the suction relief valve most of the way open. So let's go. only need to lower it down about two or three notches because this carpet is so thick, so it doesn't really even it just has so much suction it pulls up the carpet to it. So yeah. Up next is a Hoover Elite. I know I made a video reviewing this thing, I just haven't uploaded it yet. So it's highest pile it can be. Let's see what happens. Has new bag and new belt. As most Hoovers do, this thing has a crap ton of suction. I could barely move it on this carpet. But it does work really, really good and left some amazing carpet lines, as most Hoovers do. So here is the one you've all probably been waiting for, the Hoover convertible U4315. I have used it on this carpet before. I just haven't made a video of me using it on the shag carpet. But it's in its shag setting, so see how that works. Well, there's you some carpet lines for those guys that like it. I'm gonna go back again with the Hoover Supreme and see if I can get some carpet lines with this one. I never actually tried. I tried with that one, but this one I was just vacuuming. See if I can get carpet lines. Well, we can see who lost that battle. It tried, but it just doesn't have that excellent grooming action like a convertible does. Hey, yeah. I mean, you can see the track of where it went back and forth and everything. But right here, you can see it, but it's not as pronounced. Hey, yeah. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and enjoy this video. This was just a fun little thing. So, gosh. Yeah. But I'm gonna vacuum one last quick time with this tradition, just so you guys can get a little extra whatever. Yeah, it works pretty good, but it needs a new brush roll. Yeah, So I hope you guys like, subscribe, enjoy this video. Peace out.